Hey guys, Dr. Brown here, and tonight we're working an integration problem involving secant and tangent. And I have the rules set up here on the other side of the board. Hopefully you can zoom in and see those. And we've discussed these once before, so now instead of rediscussing them, let's just dive into the problem. We have the integral of secant to the 6th power, 4x, times tangent 4x dx. Now I'll be a little off the screen since we have a broad board here, but you don't need to look at me anyway, so it's okay. All right, you'll notice we have an even power of secant, an odd power of tangent. So what does it say? Let's see, here's an odd power of tangent, and we do have a secant term. The rule book says keep a secant tangent and then convert everything else to secant. So if we were to pull a secant out of this, so we would have the integral of secant, well, let's see, let's pull that one out first. Secant 4x tangent 4x, we already have the tangent here, dx. Okay, so that leaves me with secant to the 5th 4x, right? Secant to the 5th 4x, here's my tangent 4x that I had here, and the other secant that I pulled out. Sorry, it's way down there, but you get the idea. So at the end of the day, the plan is this. The plan says, I'm going to take this, at least this is what's in my mind. I'm thinking I'm going to make that u. Now I have u to the 5th power. What's the derivative of secant? Secant tangent. Oh, you see the plan. So all of this is going to end up being my du. Now I'll have to work some things here with the 4x, but we'll work through that in just a moment. So that's what my plan is here. All right, so let's say u equals secant x, or secant 4x. Okay, du then equals, what's the derivative of secant 4x? It's secant 4x tangent 4x times 4, I'll put the 4 here, dx. All right, I'm going to flip back around. I'll be off the screen, but all right, so now we're solving dx equals something. So I have du divided by 4 secant 4x tangent 4x, and that equals dx. All right, let's go back to our integral. Now we have the integral u to the 5th. I still have the secant 4x tangent 4x dx, but dx equals du over 1/4 here, so it's over 4. I'll put the 1/4 to the outside. Secant 4x tangent 4x over secant 4x tangent 4x. So those cancel. So let's move over here now. I have 1/4 the integral of u to the 5th du. Well, how simple is that? Whoa. Well, we increase this by 1, so that equals 6. Now we're going to divide by 6. So 1/4 times 1/6 is 1/24 u to the 6. That's 1/24 u, which was secant 4x, now raised to the 6th power, plus c. So I would encourage you to build a chart like this. I have one in my phone, okay, because when you get my age, you forget things. But it gives you a breakdown of some of these problems. It makes it a little bit easier to work. Hey, why are we doing this? Together we're trying to build a better tomorrow, and do that through math. Okay, that's all for now. Keep studying, guys. Keep working problems, and we'll talk to you next time. Thanks.